Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. I've reached 1000 subscribers in less than 2 months. Thank you very much for your love and I'll upload more and more lessons. There are N5 and N4 learners in my channel a lot, so I'll be uploading beginner friendly lessons from now on. And if you are an intermediate learner, please don't hesitate to let me know anytime you want, so I'll create more lessons. My viewers can ask for any lesson and I'll upload them because I just love when you learn something from Kiko. So for the new viewers here, this is Kiko's channel, Kiko's Language School. I started my channel on 3rd of March 2025 and with these lovely people's love, I've reached 1000 subscribers in less than 2 months. In Kiko's Language School, you can learn literally anything you want related to Japanese language. You can learn grammar, vocabulary, kanji, about JLPT exam tips, and you can do quizzes too. Kanji quizzes, vocabulary quizzes, daily conversation practices, literally everything in Japanese language. How often I upload videos? Every day. Yes, you heard it right. I upload videos every day and post every day. Oh wait, no. I upload posts every hour. You can learn katakana, hiragana, kanji and everything even from posts too. Now, let's begin today's video. I've decided to discuss about JLPT in today's video. At the end of this video, you'll learn what JLPT is, how to study and what to study for JLPT. Okay, let's begin. 今日のビデオを始める前にチャンネルをサブスクライブしてダイブしてください。はい。What is JLPT? I guess you already know what JLPT is. Japanese Language Proficiency Test. 日本語能力試験。JLPT is held twice a year, in July and in December. In most countries, JLPT is held on the first Sunday in both months. There are 5 levels in JLPT, starting from N5, N4, N3, N2, N1. JLPT N5 is the first level and JLPT N1 is the final level. For JLPT N5, you should learn 800 vocabulary and 100 kanji characters. For N4, 1500 vocabulary and 300 kanji characters. For N3, 3750 vocabulary and 650 kanji characters. For N2, 6000 vocabulary and 1000 kanji characters. For N1, 10,000 vocabulary and 2000 kanji characters. Okay, now let's talk about how to pass JLPT. JLPT is not an easy exam that you can pass by just watching anime and listening to J-pop. It'll actually make you familiar with Japanese language and pronunciation, but there's more. In JLPT, a test paper is made for the purpose of testing you in 3 sections: language knowledge, reading, and listening. Language knowledge is both vocabulary and grammar knowledge, but the full test is in 3 papers: vocabulary, grammar and reading, and listening. Each paper is given with 10 to 20 minutes small intervals in between each paper. In JLPT N5, you will be given 25 minutes for vocabulary test paper, 50 minutes for grammar and reading test paper, and 30 minutes for the listening test. You don't have to write anything. All you have to do is color the circle for the correct answer for each question in your answer sheet. In JLPT N4, you will be given 30 minutes for vocabulary test paper, 60 minutes for grammar and reading test paper, and 35 minutes for the listening test. In the vocabulary test paper, you have to find the hiragana or kanji reading for the given kanji or hiragana word, and some other vocabulary questions such as find the most accurate and correct sentence with the given word. In JLPT N3, you will be given 30 minutes for vocabulary test paper, 70 minutes for grammar and reading test paper, and 40 minutes for the listening test. In grammar and reading test, you have to find the correct grammar pattern for the blank in the given sentence, and you have to read several paragraphs and answer the asked questions, and most of the time there's a timetable or a notice in the reading section. In JLPT N2, you'll be given 105 minutes for vocabulary, grammar and reading test paper, 50 minutes for the listening test. From JLPT N2 on, there are only 2 test papers. In JLPT N5, N4 and N3, there are 2 test papers for vocabulary and grammar and reading sections, but in N2 and N1, these 2 sections combine and are tested as a one paper. In JLPT N1, you will be given 110 minutes for vocabulary, grammar and reading test paper, 60 minutes for the listening test. In the listening test, you are given a question paper and an answer sheet. Then a recording will be played. All you have to do is listen carefully and find the correct answers for the asked questions. In this section, several conversations, a description about something, a picture description or a weather report, news will be played and you have to answer the questions in the question paper. Passing the test requires both achieving an overall pass mark for the total points and passing each section individually. The overall pass mark depends on the level. For N5, 80 points out of 180. For N4, 90 points out of 180. For N3, 95 points out of 180. For N2, 90 points out of 180. For N1, 100 points out of 180. Meanwhile, scores at least 19 are required for each section in order to ensure that test takers cannot pass by doing very well on one section and very poorly on another. In Kiko's Language School, I am here to help you develop your knowledge in each section in each level to pass your target JLPT level and follow your dreams. In Kiko's Language School, you have the chance to ask questions and get detailed answers in the comment section and request lessons. I have uploaded complete hiragana and katakana guide in Kiko's Language School. You can click on the links in the description box below to watch each lesson. I have uploaded these lessons with alphabet, writing guide, stroke orders and vocabulary to help you understand how the Japanese writing system works. And I have uploaded full kanji lists for JLPT N5 and N4. The JLPT N3 kanji series is ongoing. You can learn vocabulary for each kanji character alongside the onyomi kunyomi readings and the meanings of the kanji character. JLPT N2 and N1 levels are difficult and I have not noticed yet if there are advanced level learners in my channel. If there are, please let me know in the comment section so I can focus on N2 and N1 too. Your comments have been a great motivation for me to keep uploading and your love makes me try my best for you all. I feel so loved and I'm very grateful to have such a sweet and kind audience. It feels like a dream to reach 1000 subscribers in such a short time. Thank you very much for staying and helping Kiko. I hope you will stay with Kiko in the future too. I love you, my friends. In conclusion, we discussed about Kiko and her journey to 1000 subscribers and then about JLPT exam, how to pass and what to learn for each level. I want to thank you again for your love. Stay with Kiko. So if you are new here, please subscribe and join us. That's today's video. See you in another lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.